When I stagger into the open field, battered and broken, it shifts in an instant. The scenery, like the field itself ever changing, it slips away yet brings a sense of peace. I seek something stable amid the shifting tides.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Of course.
I think if clouds had flavors, today would be hyacinth mint in blue. I twisted my path for such a long and even mile. Is it a dream or the reality I cannot easily believe? The taste of sorrow was familiar and bitter and true.
Hi. Someone got me this because it's my birthday today. I just came to UTM to take a walk. Do you want it? You're new here, right? If you want, I can show you the lake.
The years of neglect, of wants and denial. I think if clouds had flavors, today would be hyacinth mint in blue.
Life sucks. You have to work, pay the rent, and you want to stay afloat, but you feel like joining down sometimes. Sorry, I have to go.
I saw the sea, that sea confining me. It seemed calm, that water shaken by stray wind, a grey breath beneath ring. It gazed at me, distant and broken. It had tried to swallow me, had tried to coil, to circle in the hollow of my heart. I'm the rabbit, born of the jungle, yet I face the sea in silence. I hear its frozen cry in the void of living. Something flickers, leaps, a faint dance of life. It was I who chose to look, and it looked at me. So long I could not breathe. So long my eyes read, hardened into beads of ice. I did not mean to weep, nature bore witness to my smallness. In a dream I stepped into a mirror of mist, and a forest stood before me, resilient, mysterious, as if breathing in silence. They carried me forward through the lawn and even dark. Wind rustles softly, like winds. Beautiful one, do not grieve. The path you walked are treasures. Step wide, step forward. From chasing stars through night, turn now, chase the sun. Beautiful one, do not hurry. The roads you lost are pearls. To go on, that is the natural magic. And when you lift your face, you will find you have already walked so far, so long.
Hey, how are you? How's it going? Do you want to come sit? I was sitting.
Maybe like, yeah. I need to go home.
Are you sure? Pieces with us. Okay, let's go.
Life flows away in trickles of water and blood, only to hurry itself into the next eternity. If eternity is to be named, let it be the lingering pause. Yet change, too, is eternity, and waiting is eternity. An unending cycle of moments within an internal landscape, ever shifting